Hey guys, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy. If you're here for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. You're here because you're searching for the best Jarvee VPS, a VPS, a virtual desktop that you can use on your Mac. And what I believe to be the best VPS in 2019. So if you're running Jarvee for any kind of social media platform, you have a Mac like me, you know, I always have a Mac, I'm from the iPhone, and we all have our preferences, right? But if you do have a Mac, you cannot run Jarvee straight on your computer. And even though if you have a Windows computer, a desktop, I recommend not to run Jarvee on your computer. And why not? Because if you close your computer, you close down Jarvee, you close down the program, and your automation will actually stop. So if you have a dedicated computer that is only there for Jarvee and can run beyond for 24 hours, 24/7, you can turn off the screen, no worries, that is cool. But you know, most people have one computer and that's what they do everything with, and you know, if they go somewhere and their laptop and they go with their laptop, they close their laptop, they close down Jarvee. So if you're searching for what I believe the best Jarvee VPS is the virtual desktop that you can run from any computer, but especially on a Mac. This video I'm going to share with you exactly in the description below here. You will also find a step-by-step description on where to get the best virtual desktop, and I'm going to show you in a bit which I believe it is, which will work perfectly, how to download the app from the iTunes store and install it, everything, and have it run up and running, easily going. So let's dive into what I believe is the best VPS for Jarvee, the virtual desktop on your Mac, is it's called Green Cloud. And just follow the steps below this video and it will bring you straight to this page. So for Jarvee, what you want to search for is, if you arrive at this page, so use the link below this video, it will bring you straight to this page. And there you will find Windows VPS, and if you click that, let me click it twice, then you have budget, but which one you want to have is actually Max Planner. You can go for a budget, but this one is optimized for, so Max Planner is also a automation tool, a bot. I'm not using it. Actually, to be honest, I'm not even sure if it's there. But what it does say is that this VPS is optimized for automation, because you have to imagine when you're running Jarvee, you do following, unfollowing, joining, unjoining, liking, comment. You do all these tasks. So you have to find a VPS that is qualified for doing that. And not all VPS virtual desktops for Mac are qualified for doing this. So pick this one, Mass Planner Optimized, and it will bring you here. And then you will find these are the current locations, and find one that is close to you. So if you're in Europe, we have Paris, we have London, we have Frankfurt, Amsterdam. That is actually, so you got Netherlands, Germany, Great Britain, and France. So if you're in Belgium, you could pick France or Amsterdam, maybe Germany. Either one of them, but if you're in Norway, I would pick, which one I put the closest, you know, Amsterdam probably. So figure out where you are. If you're in Spain, pick Paris. I was in the Netherlands actually, and I used to have Paris because Amsterdam was not there yet. So now we move to Costa Rica. So I changed my VPS actually to a different location, and it's now located in the States because that is the closest I can get. I think I have Dallas or Los Angeles. These are the closest to Costa Rica. And why do you want to have? For one thing, it's very important. Make sure that your VPS is in the same continent that you are. That is very important. If you are in Australia, though, good question. Which one would we pick? Maybe go for Asia more in that direction. Because what my experience is that if you got a completely different continent, it turns slow. So you want to do your activities, it turns slow. You click a button and you have to wait, and you have to get a cup of coffee. It just turns slow. So pick one on your continent. So when you're doing that, here you see if you're running up to 10 to 40 accounts. If you really have 40 accounts, I presume you're making money online, then pick this one. Because this is maxing out. I would say this one is to 20, 25, 30 accounts, and then what you will notice is that it gets slower and it's harder to work. And it's just, you know, we are spoiled in 2018 and 2019 and on so on, is that you know, we want to have fast internet, fast computers, so this is too. So this is because it's just not capable of doing all these tasks. It just requires a lot of memory and work tasks. So you see 2 core, it's kind of 4G and 6, and so on and so on. If you go above 100 Instagram accounts, then you want to dive into a dedicated server. But if you want to learn more about that, connect with me, send me a message how that works. But you can also just send in a ticket, say, hey, I have 100%, because it will be very slow, your accounts. I mean, I used to do this. I went to a dedicated server, it went fast, all problems solved. So that is something I recommend. But if you do around 10 to 15 accounts, you definitely go 20 accounts, you're definitely good to go with a $26 per month. If this is above your budget, you can choose for the budget VPS. It is also same thing, you know, for wherever you are. You can, yeah, here it goes. You can do this, and you can start with a budget $10 per month. I would do, you know, 5 accounts, 5 Instagram accounts. It will be great. It will work. So that is up to you. Which one are you gonna take? This is the one I recommend to have the best, the best outcome, the best that makes it works the easiest. So basically, what you do is this. So let's say that one. You order, and then what we do here. You can choose either pay monthly, pay quarterly, pay semi-annually, semi-annually. You see that it makes a difference. What is it? You get a month off, 1.5 month off. And what you want to do is make sure that it is Windows Server 2012 and up. Because 2008, your Jarvee will not work. You need 2012. So this is why I said, you know, Mass Planner is optimized. I'm not sure, but if you do the budget one, make sure to check you have 2012. Very important. Here, you choose your location. So let's presume I'm back in the Netherlands. I'll choose this one. You see? And then if you want to go for this, you want to make a decision, you check annually. It saves you, you know, 2 months, 1.5 months, and it probably will update somehow or not. Anyway, you get the picture, you check out, and that is it. So in the description below, you will find that you will need this app, the Microsoft Remote Desktop. You'll find it in, if you follow the instructions below this video, there is a link and it will bring you to your iTunes store. And I always figure out where that is. Where is that? Oh, it's not there. Anyway, that's not very important, but it will bring you there. You download it back on your computer, and now you have this installed. And then as you see here, it will ask, you will add, here you will add a desktop, and then your green server will have sent you your details. Your PC name is the IP address that they sent you. That is your PC name. And then user account, you can, you know, name it for yourself, and that's it. Or you show more. Yeah, here you got some extra things. So you give it a name that you remember it. Maybe you have multiple VPSs. It is possible. You can run it from one app. Yeah, that is. So if you're brand new and you're setting things up, there's also a link below this in the description that will give you a 5-day free trial of Jarvee. Just do it. So this is the workshop what you're gonna do. You got your server, you got Jarvee, and now you installed it here in your app. Just fill out the PC name, that is the IP address that they give you. That's it, that's very easy. And the password that they give you, they will ask for a password. And once you have installed that, you are coming on your desktop. Let me see here. So this is my Jarvee. Let me see if I I can close this down. Yeah, so this is also that one. So we will, oh, there's so much open here. I can close this down and down and down. This is what you will run into, a Windows desktop. So what you will do now is go to a Chrome, go to your I recommend, if you get Jarvee, to do it through Gmail or you know, a web accessible email service, and then you open it up here and download Jarvee here on your VPS. And the rest, it's very simple. If you want to know more, if you want to know the best update settings that are always updated, because we always stay in touch with Jarvee itself and the most updated settings that there are, then check out our Instagram workshop in how to gain 100+ followers every freaking single day. Then, you know, check out that workshop. It will definitely benefit you. If you seek for more guidance and coaching, then also in the same school, the Freedom Lifestyles Academy school, there is a mastermind and coaching group that you can become a member of. That is optional. You can ask all your marketing questions there, and we are here to serve you. So that being said, guys, check out the links below this video. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and tick the bell icon so I can serve you the best way possible. And have an awesome day.